Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Spotify private session, listening privacy step by step clearly. Open the Spotify app on your phone, tablet, or computer. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Spotify account. On mobile, tap your profile picture or the home icon to reach the main screen. On desktop, look for your profile name in the top right corner. Go to Settings by tapping the gear icon on mobile. On desktop, open the menu and choose Settings. Scroll until you find the Social or Privacy section in Settings. Look for an option called Private Session. On mobile, you will see a toggle switch next to Private Session. Turn the Private Session toggle on. On desktop, switch Private Session on using the same toggle. Wait a moment for Spotify to apply the change. Check that the toggle stays enabled to confirm it is active. Understand that your listening activity will not be shared while private session is on. Know that Spotify will temporarily stop updating your public listening history. Remember that your friends will not see your current listening in friend activity. Be aware that Spotify may still use listening data internally for recommendations. Keep in mind private session can automatically turn off after some time. If you want it always private, you will need to re-enable it when it turns off. To verify, try opening friend activity and confirm it is not updating with your current track. If you cannot find friend activity, just rely on the private session toggle status. For extra privacy, also find listening activity or share my listening activity options if available. Turn off listening activity sharing if you want even less social sharing. On mobile, also check connected apps or devices if you share audio elsewhere. Disconnect any device you do not recognize to protect your account. If the toggle is missing, update Spotify from the App Store, Google Play, or your desktop updater. After updating, reopen Spotify and check settings again for private session. When you are done with private listening, you can return and turn private session off anytime. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.